Hey guys, in today's video I am going to stream a live chess match. So let's boot a 10-minute game. Only chess. I usually play this opening to just activate my pieces. Here, he is trying to do a checkmate. Or should I move my knight here? Else it would be a checkmate. Let's play on a safer side. It will block my queen, but he is taking a lot of time to play this one. I don't know why. I will just threaten the bishop here so that he can move from here.
I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. Yeah. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am.
I will just push my h2 pawn so that
my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again. No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me.
no, it would be a bad move.
I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's
I could win but because of g4 pawn.
and I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the cast. I wanna feel like I'm a new person. I wanna have clear vision and purpose. And I feel like the pain shouldn't last. If you can move on and past the things that make you feel bad, and you can change in your brain, I'm certain. I've done it before, and man, I'm not perfect. I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back.
Let's play a risky move. King to f2. I don't think so it is a good move, but he could simply defend his position by moving his pawn to h5, but who knows. Yeah, I told you. Let's move our f3 pawn to at position f4 so that when he captures, I capture with my bishop. So should I move that? Let's see. What shitty move I have played, man. Shit, man. Oof. I'm feeling like to resign. I should have think first before moving that move. Oof. I don't know what I am doing. Oh, yaar. I should have moved my. Let's send him a take back option. What I am playing, man. Oh, he accepted the take back. Oh. Pretty bad game I am playing. All my pieces are inactive. I don't know what I am doing. If I don't move my queen, he will simply pin by his rook. So what should I do? What should I do? I am going to lose this match definitely. He can move here, but and pin my rook. and queen. So what is the best move here? I am literally trapped. None of my pieces are active. All are inactive. Shit. We can now play like here and then. Okay. I knew that. Let's send him a take back option. No, he will not accept. Take back decline. It wasn't making sense to give him a take back option. He would not accept either. I am plus 8 points down. Can I take it? Then if I take with my rook, with my king, sorry, he will give me a check with his rook. Then I will move down here because I would have no other swell. Then he would give me check with his queen. Then though I would be checkmate if I take his bishop. So I should, according to me, I should move my bishop here to g5 square, blocking the queen and at the same time attacking the rook. Then simply I can take. Yes, now I can simply take. If my bishop wasn't here, he could have simply checkmated me by moving his queen to g2. I am still down plus 5 points. Oh, now I am checkmated. So this was very bad moment on my first stream. I hope you like it and learned something. Thank you very much for watching.